made you accept itong pitch na to? What drew you to the script, to the story?
Ako kasi ang dami ko na nagawa rom-com eh, pero ito kasi parang may pagka-sci-fi kasi nga may ability si Linlin na mag-predict kung ano yung madadala sa buhay. May ganun siya eh. So parang sabi ko, iba to. Kaya rom-com man siya, may ganun siyang aspeto kaya nagustuhan ko.
Ako feeling ko, pre-plan ng mag-reunion kami yung tatlo at talagang pinag-usapan na namin. And then, I think we just waited till Direk would get inspired again and write a love story for both Kaloy and I. But more than anything, ang ganda ng touch na pagka-sulat ni Direk ng Holy Ghost. And yeah, same with Kaloy. I think what makes this special is the fantasy aspect of it. I don't do much of it. Feeling ko yung pinaka-nagawa kong fantasies sa Once Upon a Time or yung Block Z. But this one, Mirabella ko nga pala. Yan na yung kulay ko.
Tama.
Yeah. But yeah, it's deep and it's very meaningful. So.
Okay. So, Julia, you're on a roll, ha? Sunod-sunod mo rin, and ang galing nung sa trailer pa lang. So, since Metro Manila Film Festival, ready ka na rin ba lumaban kay Vilma at Juday? Siyempre, for Best Actress!
Of course.
O, tingin nyo, direct na!
Ano naman?
May
ang sobrang
laban!
kasi kaya ni Juju dito. Para sa ako yun di ba? Direk?
Oo.
You know what, I don't know, I'm not sure how to answer this question. Number one, sobrang ko silang dalawang iniidolo. So even to mention my name beside theirs is medyo nakakadyahe siya. But I think this alone, this film making it to the MMFF on their 50th year and just being included is already such a great honor. So, ayun. Like, grateful naman ako with this alone.
And of course, best, would you say, ito yung isa sa best performances yet mo?
Sino, alam mo?
Ikaw, you would say na ito ay isa sa best performances mo. You show yung isa sa best performances mo. Okay.
I don't know, I don't think I should be the one answering
Sige.
this. Feeling ko naman in every project, we just always try to give it our best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was Ms. Ana Serrazo of ABS-CBN. Up next, we have Jeff Fernando of Daily Tribune.
Good afternoon. Okay. First question ko pa para naman kay Direk Jason Paul. Direk, ano po? Unang question is, bakit po Japan ang napili natin venue para dito sa story?
Okay. This is my second time to shoot a film in Japan. Meron kasing ginatawag na, meron film commission yung isang prefecture doon, ang tawag ay Saga Prefecture Film Commission, na naging acquainted ako nung first kaming nag-shoot ni Julia ng film sa Japan in between the 80s. So, yung mga taga-tao doon, they were asking if I could apply again. So, ako, since, di ba, we really fell in love with the place. So, syempre, nag-grab yung opportunity para makagawa ulit ng pelikula doon. And ayan, sinubmit ko to sa kanila. It went through a process na, ano yun eh, dati kasi para kahit sino mag-apply, binibigyan nila ng grant, tinutulungan nila. Pero ngayon, competitive na, meron ng screening process. And nagustuhan siya ng mga Japanese counterpart namin. And ayun, just Japan.
Okay, direct follow-up question ko po sa inyo na, hindi ito yung first project nyo kasama yung actors na sina Carla at si Julia. Ano po ang ano nyo? Makikita nyo sa kanilang as actors maturity dito sa project na ito kumpara sa mga nanonood?
Well, wala naman akong conscious decision na dahil sa mga. Basta every time na nagkakatrabaho kami, we just really put our best sa ginagawa namin. And then, it will be up to the people to judge kung maganda siya or hindi. Pero kami, we are confident na we give our best sa lahat ng projects na ginagawa.
Thank you very much po and good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was Jeff Fernando of Daily Tribune. For our next question, we have Robin Agawa of Anagana.
Hello, congrats sa new movie. Kay Miss Julia, early po, ano lang guys. Since you have a superpower dito sa movie na to, in real life ba, gusto mo ba ng same superpower o any superpower na gusto mo magkaroon ka?
Kasi it really makes you a very guarded person and it's so isolating. Siguro kung may superpower, it would be teleportation. And it's mainly kasi I love to travel, so and I don't have that much time. So if I could just, something's going on. So if I could travel for a few hours, teleport, and then ako, wow, it would be such a gift.
And ilang beses ka na nag-shoot sa Japan, right?
Yes.
So, ano pong na-discover mo sa Japan this time? Bago na-discover?
You know what? It's as peaceful. In Japan, we are shooting in this place called Saga and Karatsu, which is a peaceful, quiet, calming place in Japan. So I feel like it's still the same yung first time ko, but yung second time, it's really laid back, slow paced, and mas nakaka-focus ka kasi wala masyado talagang distraction, kahit ingay wala. So masarap mag-shoot doon.
Thank you. Good luck sa movie.
Thank you. That was Erwin Ogawa of Pananganap. Up next, we have Mark Magadia as Maganda Ba Movie.
Hello, guys.
Hello!
Ayan. First question ko sa cast na lang. Kasi regarding din sa special ability ng character ni Julia. Kasi di ba you can tell parang sa pag-touch pa lang kung magdudulot ng sakit or saya ang isang tao. If ever meron kayong ganun sa inyong dalawa na cast, ano yung mas parang mas gagamitin nyo or mas magiging excited kayo? Yung malaman yung tao na magdudulot ng saya or yung malaman yung tao na magdudulot ng sakit?
Kung ano yung mas gusto kong parang ang hirap na paano nga? Siguro parang mas gusto kong malaman kung oh my God, ang hirap. Ikaw, Jason. Oo, ikaw nagsulat eh. Parang kasi okay yung sakit eh, di ba?
Kasi it will protect yourself.
Oo, kaya lang, kaya yung sakit kasi nagagamit mo yun sa future eh, di ba?
Paano siya? Self-preservation dyan, di ba? Parang naiiwasan mo na masaktan or... Pero syempre, ang hirap ang tanong.
Di ba? Ang hirap sagutin na, pwede ba, ewan ko?
Pero ako siguro sakit talaga. Hindi naman ako tinatanong. Pero sakit, parang nasa punto ako ng edad na parang sakit na gusto kong maiwasan. Di ba? Okay, ito yung mas bata-bata.
Pwede ba pareho? Hindi ba pwedeng ano na lang? Hindi, kung pinapipili mo nga ako na hindi, ano pa naman ako? Oo, kung malalaman ko na lang kung sasaktan ako siguro. Wala nang explanation kasi hirap eh.
And how about you?
Ang theory ko, kapag yung tao, marami nang pinagdaan ng sakit, ayaw nang masaktan ulit. Kaya mas pipiliin niya yung ability na ma-detect yung sakit. Pero kung hindi ka nasaktan,
what makes you stronger eh, diba? Yun yung mga magagamit mo yung sakit na yun in the future para
di ba? Pero
para mas maging maayos yung tao, para mas
pero actually, matatakal yan sa film. Si Julia, nasagot niya.
Ako ngayon naman na yung brainstorming ninyo. Baka doon ako mas may excite ako kapag nagkaroon ako ng feeling na this person is going to be good for me. Kasi given na, to me, parang given na there's good and there's bad. And because now, sometimes the world can be so cruel that it feels so parang siyang breath of fresh air kapag naka-cross paths ka with something or someone good. So, I think when moments like that happen, you value it even more because it's a bit rare these days. So, kung ako mas ma-excite ako pag nakaramdam ako na magiging okay ka para sa akin. Dito ka lang. Parang yun lang.
So thank you. I think that's what makes this film special kasi yun nga, nagkaroon ng discussion about that.
Good question.
So yung second question ko direct, kasi di ba, I think this is your second time na you made romantic fantasy film. So, kasi di ba meron kayong Love is Blind ba?
Well,
So how was it? Parang ano yung experience doing romantic fantasy compared to other films that other genre of films that we're doing? Ano yung pagkakaiba nito?
Well, kasi sa filmography ko, ang dami ko na nagawang romance films din. Parang ako personally as creator, parang gusto ko lang makagawa ng may twist or may something different than the usual. So, even before ito, meron akong romance sci-fi yung with Jasmine Curtis and Jerome Ponce, yung A Glimpse of Forever. So, ayan, parang this is just my way of trying something new para naman hindi pa ulit-ulit yung ginagawa.
And yung sa Japan ba parang, kasi parang yung story is somewhat parang same ng manga eh. So is this story was inspired ba ng manga story or anime story? That's why you picked Japan din as well?
Hindi naman siya directly inspired sa ganun, pero I grew up with those. And Japan has a special place in my heart. So, back when we were doing Between Navies kami ni Julia, parang inaral ko talaga yung iba't ibang Japanese philosophies, and I try to apply them sa mga films ko, especially when they're set in Japan. So, the same goes with dito sa Hold Me Close.
Okay, take it then.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was Mark Magadia of Maganda Ba Movie. Up next, we have Romel Gonzalez of PEP.
Yes, sa cast kay Julia at kay Carla, since nag-shoot kayo sa Japan, meron ba kayong hindi makakalimutang experience habang nandun kayo? Pwedeng nakakatawa, nakakatakot, nakakagulat, or whatever. Julia, you first.
Naman direct, hindi naman yun. Kinabahan kami, baka walang mag-direct sa amin. Sabi niyo, na-ER daw siya. Ang saya ng shooting namin ito. Ang hirap tuloy mamili ng isang... I think one of the memorable sa akin would be yung nakakita kami lahat finally ng cherry blossoms in the duration of filming in full bloom. So, I was really excited about that day. And also because I think, yun na rin yung kinukunan namin nung araw na yun, yung mga naging happy memories namin ni Woody. So, yeah. Yeah, that part.
Kagamiya sa
Yeah, that was a beautiful day ka.
Ang ganda nga nun yung day na papunta kami dun sa Akigaya. Dun sa park. Parang nakikita namin na unti-unting lumalabas yung colors nung... At saka first time ko kasi makakita ng cherry blossom. Lagi ako pumupunta ng Japan pag December, parang ganun. So, bumibiyahe kami, parang nag-bloom lang siya ng unti-unti. Tapos ang peaceful kasi sa Saga, hindi siya katulad ng Tokyo na ang daming naglalakad, ang daming high-rise na building. Yun, mga maliliit na bahay. Sobrang peaceful, sobrang parang in touch ka with nature. Kaya, ganda-ganda kami sa cherry blossom.
Direct, pwede mo i-share na banggit kami